We're going to talk about how your mind is not for outsourcing. I think this is a super important topic because technology is moving very fast. AI tools are everywhere. There's a million and one of them. There's so much that's happening when it comes to this fast-paced technology race, is kind of what it feels like, truthfully. It feels like a race. And I'm
I
sure—
think it is.
I think it is too.
Yeah.
And I feel like when it comes to AI, and I'm sure you've seen this online, there's a lot of what is called AI slop out there,
Okay.
where clearly somebody has just given all their power to an AI tool and has accepted it as good enough and is now using it for websites or using it on social media or using
I
it.
know I've gotten AI emails for sure.
Oh,
that
for
are-
sure. For sure. And
Yeah.
like you can read it and it just is like, oh, like that's so bad. Like you can see it, right? Like we can see it, we can smell it.
It's kind of cute though. Like,
It's
you know,
cute?
yeah, it's a little bit cute because
Okay, I need
like
way more
some of our
information.
team, like we've got our newsletters, right?
Yeah.
Our internal newsletters every week. And some of
Oh,
our
yeah.
team like was starting to use AI. So everyone's new to it.
For sure.
So it's kind of cute, you know, it's like
We're all trying to figure
you
it
did not
out.
write that at all. Nor are you even intelligent enough to proofread it. That it's good, right? So it's like the editing process. It's like right now I'm writing a book and I'm getting better and better at the editing.
Yes.
Because that was quite the process to even learn how to do that. That took me months.
Right. Oh, for sure. It's like, it's very interesting. And we
It
just
is.
need to learn how to use these things better. But that's not the point of the we're not going to talk about like, we're not going to do like a screen share and show you how to like use
I might be the
AI
only
later.
person that in the world that has said, you guys could coin this, AI is cute.
Yeah, that is different. AI is cute.
So I've never liked ChatGPT.
You haven't?
No,
Yeah,
I've never
loved it either.
And the way do I talk to it, it's always aggressive too.
You're kind of mean to it?
Yeah, it's like, and I
Yeah.
tell it, I say, quit that nonsense crap.
Right.
You know, and I'm like, quit asking me questions after I ask you a question, you know? It's like, just quit talking to me like that. But do you know, I've never had that attitude towards Claude.
Right.
Claude's
I love
my
Claude.
friend.
I like Claude as well. That's the tool my tool of choice. And yeah, I agree. I really, really like it.
Yeah.
It works well. That's really funny. You've got like an antagonistic relationship with ChatGPT. It's
We've
not your
never
friend.
got along.
Never got along.
No, it's talking to me like silly.
Right. Okay. Yeah.
Claude doesn't talk to me silly.
Okay, so AI is cute. ChatGPT talks to me silly.
Yeah.
Interesting language here.